Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Bluesky app. Not having the up-to-date version of app can cause lots of errors and issues while running the app, so it's important to update them regularly. If you want to update Bluesky app, you can follow the simple steps. First of all, go to Play Store, then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now go to search bar and search for Bluesky app. Once you find the app, tap on it. Now here you can see on install and open option. That means I already have the updated version of app on my phone. If you haven't updated your app, you can see update option instead of open right over here. So if you can see the update option, tap on it and your app will be updated. Once the app is updated, you will be able to use the better version of app where the new features are also enabled. So this is how you can update Bluesky app. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thank you for watching.